Looking to upgrade your outdoor space with a lush, low-maintenance lawn that stays green year-round? Discover the best artificial grass turf options for durability, appearance, and easy installation, perfect for patios, gardens, balconies, and high-traffic areas without watering or mowing. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Garland Rug Artificial Grass Turf. The Garland Rug Artificial Grass Turf is a simple yet dependable choice for anyone looking to add a touch of greenery without the upkeep of natural grass. Made from 100% polypropylene, it offers a durable surface that holds up well in both indoor and outdoor environments. One of its most practical features is its quick drying capability, making it ideal for high-traffic areas such as patios, balconies, or entryways where moisture can be an issue. The marine backing adds another layer of resilience, helping the turf withstand changing weather conditions without deteriorating. Its unbound edges give it a more natural, seamless look, allowing it to blend easily into different spaces without appearing overly artificial. Although the product may arrive with some creasing due to folded packaging, these marks typically fade over time, especially with simple adjustments like cross-rolling. This turf is a good option for those who want a low-maintenance surface that still delivers a clean and green appearance. Whether used as a decorative mat or as a functional outdoor covering, it provides a balance of practicality and visual appeal. Number 2. Pick for Life Artificial Grass Turf. The Pick for Life Artificial Grass Turf offers a flexible and user-friendly solution for customizing outdoor or indoor spaces. One of its standout features is the ability to easily cut it into any desired shape, making it highly adaptable for balconies, patios, gardens, or even small decorative corners. The inclusion of gloves, a hook, and landscape staples adds convenience, allowing for a smoother installation process without needing extra tools. Its drainage system is particularly effective, with multiple holes that help water pass through quickly, ensuring the surface dries fast even after heavy cleaning or rainfall. The material itself feels soft and closely resembles real grass, making it comfortable for children and pets to play on. Its UV-resistant and fire-proof properties add to its durability, ensuring it maintains its appearance even under prolonged sun exposure. Cleaning is straightforward, requiring only soap and water, which makes maintenance minimal. This turf combines practicality with a natural look, making it suitable for both decorative and functional uses. Overall, it's a versatile option for those seeking a customizable, low-maintenance artificial grass solution. Number 3. Petgrow Artificial Grass Turf. The Petgrow Artificial Grass Turf stands out for its dense, realistic design and strong performance in various environments. With a grass height of around 1.38 inches and a high-density construction, it closely mimics the look and feel of natural grass. The four-tone color blend adds depth, giving it a more authentic appearance compared to standard artificial turf. Built from a combination of PE and PP materials, it offers durability and resilience, making it suitable for high-traffic areas. It is also UV-resistant, waterproof, and fireproof, ensuring it holds up well under different weather conditions. One of its most practical features is its efficient drainage system, which quickly removes liquids such as rainwater or pet urine, preventing odors and making it ideal for pet owners. Maintenance is minimal, as it only requires occasional rinsing to keep it clean. Additionally, if the grass fibers become flattened during shipping, they can easily regain their shape with brushing or sunlight exposure. Its wide range of applications, from patios and gardens to indoor decor, makes it a versatile choice for anyone wanting a lush, green surface all year round. Number 4. LITA 10-foot by 5-foot Artificial Grass Turf. The LITA 10 by 5-foot artificial grass turf is designed for those who want a larger, more impactful green space without the effort of maintaining a real lawn. Its high-density fibers, measuring about 1.38 inches in height, create a soft and realistic surface that is comfortable underfoot. The four-tone color pattern enhances its natural look, making it blend seamlessly into outdoor environments. Made from high-quality polypropylene materials, this turf is built to handle long-term exposure to sunlight and varying temperatures without fading or wearing down quickly. The rubber backing includes drainage holes, allowing water to pass through efficiently and making cleaning simple. This makes it especially useful for areas like patios, poolside spaces, or play zones for kids and pets. Another major advantage is its low-maintenance nature. There's no need for mowing, watering, or fertilizing, which saves both time and money. Its versatility allows it to be used in residential or commercial settings, from gardens to event spaces. Overall, it offers a reliable and visually appealing solution for creating a year-round green environment.
Number 5. LITA Synthetic Artificial Grass Turf. The LITA Synthetic Artificial Grass Turf is a compact and efficient option for those who need a smaller-scale solution without compromising on quality. With a shorter grass height of around 0.4 inches, it provides a neat and well-trimmed appearance that works particularly well for decorative areas, pathways, or indoor applications. Despite its shorter pile, it still delivers a realistic look and soft texture, making it comfortable for both children and pets. Constructed from durable polypropylene materials, it's designed to resist heat and wear, ensuring it maintains its condition over time. The non-toxic and lead-free composition adds an extra layer of safety, making it suitable for family environments. Its rubber backing with drainage holes allows for quick water flow, preventing pooling and making cleaning easy. Like other artificial turf options, it eliminates the need for watering or mowing, offering a hassle-free alternative to natural grass. This turf is especially useful for smaller spaces or areas that require a clean, low-maintenance green surface. Overall, it provides a practical and cost-effective way to enhance any setting with a touch of greenery. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.